Hey guys, this is Mason with Net Audio. Today we have a 2021 Nissan Kicks. Let me show you what we did today. So we went with the Alpine S-Type 6.5 component sets for the up front. Then we went with a 6.5 coaxial in the back. I love this WaveTech 1000.5. I use it in a lot of situations, especially for someone that's trying to save space. It makes it for where I can have it all in one place. I just take all my wire there. Makes it for a clean, super clean install. The knob, we did the flush mount right beside the hatch. I love doing flush mounted. And with the sub, we actually went with a smaller one. We went with a 10-inch Audison all-in-one enclosure. This one is not the powered sub one. It is just the subwoofer and the enclosure. Still does really, really well. Still gets down. Still beats the block off the windows. Still beats the windows off the block. No, neither one of those work. But it bumps.